Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Perpetual here. Thank y'all so much for joining me today as I make a super easy shrimp and chicken fried rice. Let's start. Chili oil is from my green chili sauce. I will upload a recipe for that really soon. I just scoop out the extra oil and use it in my fried rice for spice and flavor. When I'm making rice specifically for fried rice, I always like to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce to the rice while I'm cooking it. And for the spring onions, add as little or as much as you would like. As you can tell, I love a lot of it in my fried rice. And our chicken and shrimp fried rice is ready to be served. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be among the first to know when I upload a new video. Take care. I will see you again very soon.